G'day guys, Nathan from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I've brought you here to talk about some tyres. Now, it's a very important issue and a lot of people let it slide, but if you do notice that your tyres are wearing down or you have an uneven surface down here, or it could even be showing cracks in the sidewall of the tyre, you need to get on top of that straight away, get them replaced. We do recommend, or the recommended lifespan of a tyre is about 7 years. So every 7 years, check your date on your tyres. It's just a little circle around 4 numbers. And the way that it works is the first 2 numbers is the weeks and the second 2 numbers is the years. So say for instance sake it's 3917, it's the 39th week of the 17 year, 2017. So always be checking your tyres, guys. Always be safe out there on the roads. And if you have any issues, come down and see us at AllBrand. Thank you.